First, I would like to present Turkish Airlines Chairman of the Board and the Executive Committee Professor Ahmet Bolat to the microphone for his speech.
Esteemed members of the press, dear guests, first, I would like to say good afternoon and welcome you all. I would like to express our great pleasure in hosting the Dubai Islamic Bank team at our headquarters in Istanbul. Today we are celebrating the signing of the lease agreement for the Turkish Airlines' first Islamic finance deal for an Airbus A350 aircraft, a historic milestone for Turkish Airlines. We truly appreciated the opportunity to welcome Dr. Adnan Chilwan and Dubai Islamic Bank executives and to strengthen and growing relationship between our institutions. Today marks a significant milestone in the history of Turkish Airlines. For the first time, we are financing an aircraft, an Airbus A350, through an Islamic finance structure. This transaction not only represents an important breakthrough for us, but also demonstrates our commitment to diversify our funding sources through innovative and inclusive financing solutions. With this transaction, we are pleased to further strengthen our collaboration with the financial institutions in the UAE and the broader Gulf region. We see great potential in building long-term strategic partnership in this region, and this particular deal sets a strong precedent for future cooperation.
And all I could do was try and talk to our partners about what DIB can bring to the table in terms of value and how we can be a part of the growth story of Turkish Airlines, and more importantly, continue investing in this beautiful country of Turkey. We, as Dubai Islamic Bank, for a lot of people who do not know, are the first Islamic bank in the world. Participation banking, as you call Islamic banks within Turkey, participation banking started in the world with Dubai Islamic Bank in 1975. Today, we have become a global force and we compete with the largest global banks in the world as well as regional banks in the world. So when I had the privilege of meeting Murat Bey and his team a few months ago, I was trying to convince him and I'm trying to tell him that give me one opportunity, I want to put my foot in the door. And today, Alhamdulillah, after a few months of hard work and dedication of both the teams at Dubai Islamic Bank and at Turkish Airlines, we are here to do this signing ceremony with His Excellency Dr. Bolat.
Yeah, let's open it.
Yeah.